Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you software that help you to auto post on group by using Facebook page. So this is my software that I use. So you can see first I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook accounts. Next, to auto post on group by using page, you need a content. So I will go to content management. So you can add your content here by press add article button. You can add your content with your image and video that you want. After that, you will save to save your content. After you have a content, you will go to post function. Here you can see you can choose many options in here. So I will choose post in group. So first I will choose the account that have page I want to go to post. After I have page, I will set up general configuration. The distance between two accounts I will set up to 4 seconds to 9 seconds. You can choose post in group participated, or post according to group ID, or post group by keyword. So you choose post according by group keyword. Next, I will enter the group ID that I have. Next, I will choose the content that I already add in my content management. Next, I will set up the each page post maximum word and each group post the total number. Okay, after everything set up, I will press begin and latest.
Mấy cái khách đông rồi, anh bảo mấy cái khách mà em bị nó nhảy nhạc liên tục ấy, nó có để số không? Hôm nào nó để lại số không? Gần đây mới bị đúng không? Gần đây bị kiểu này đúng không? Trước còn bị có nhỉ? Gần đây nó bị kiểu nổ.
So you can see the process in here that report success.
Hôm nay ngày thứ mấy rồi? Mày sao chụp lại thì nó mới thấy nào?
After each page post in group successful, you can go to history or posting app and check the history, the page that already post. And you can take the link over here and go to the. So you can see it is the post I already post in this group. So basically, I just showed you software that help you to auto post on group by using page. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for Ubuntu channel.